Welcome to my channel, Ride with Patrick. Today we're gonna ride and we'll test those two helmets. I'm gonna present you those helmets. The first one is my trustworthy Bandit fighter, and the other one is the Boxer Roof V8. I will test them in 4 different categories because there is one I can't, since one is a full face and the other one isn't. It's a modular helmet. First category will be weight, which is for me quite important as I ride a lot. It's important that the helmet is in a way safe but light as well, so that I don't feel it in my neck. Number 2, I will test it at 60 kilometers an hour with the wind. Number 3, 80 kilometers an hour, and number 4, it's 110 kilometers an hour on the motorway with a full open exhaust, since I have Kestek exhaust on my motorcycle. So with any ado, let's start. We'll start with the weight. So if I take the Bandit, it's 1,300 grams, 1 kilo 300. And we have the roof helmet is 1,650 grams. Oh, 350 grams extra on that one. So the point goes to the Street Fighter. That's the first point. So I'll try the Street Fighters first, and then I'll change to the roof. Are we ready? Let's go. Well, let's start. Okay, let's start with the first. So we'll ride at 60 kilometers an hour. Now 160. Well, it's okay. I usually ride with earplugs. So for me it's quite interesting to see how it is to ride. So now I'm 60 kilometers an hour. It's alright. The thing is, you won't hear the wind. On 3rd gear my camera has wind noise reduction, so you might not hear the wind, but I do hear the wind a little bit. It's not now I'm around 67, 70, going up to 80. 81. Now I'm at 80. There is a little bit of wind, but it's still alright. I wouldn't ride 40 minutes with that wind without earplugs as well. So that wouldn't be really nice. And the thing is, I didn't open the exhaust, so it will be a painful test on the motorway. We'll see. So now I'm coming on the motorway. We'll do the last test. I will open the exhaust just now. That's a nice one. I said 110. That's exactly what I am now. With open exhaust. I hear the wind, but it's not that. Put it in 5th gear. I hear the wind, but it's still manageable. I would say for a short period of time. So let's start the test. Now I'm at 60. The thing is, you might hear the noise of the exhaust, so the only thing you can base yourself on is on the exhaust note, if you hear it, but the rest you won't hear anything. So now I'm at 60, I hear a little bit of noise, not much. I will push at 80 now. Now I'm at 80, between 79 and 81. It's alright, a little bit of wind noise, but not that. So I think that the roof wins those 2 points. The thing is, as well, I feel it. It takes. The roof is a bigger helmet, but it actually takes all my face. I feel it wrapping around all my face. I feel the chin bar here. If I open the mouth, really little wind noise. It's a really nice helmet. I use it actually 3 times. So thanks for the viewer that asked me to test those 2 helmets. I might use it a little bit more in the future. Same procedure. I will start at the stop. And motorway with the exhaust open. Now I'm at 110 in 5th gear. I'm so excited to see the footage and to hear the noise, if there is any noise. I mean, I hope that you can get the note of the exhaust. That's one of the things I hope. So here we go again. So now I tested both helmets, and as you remember, the Bandit got a point already for the weight, since it's a little bit lighter, and I knew that being lighter it might be a little bit more noisy than the other one, but actually at 60 kilometers an hour it was not much difference. I would say that it was quiet in both of the helmets, so you get a point again and you get a point too. 80 kilometers an hour, the Boxer was definitely the winner. As I said, it was quite silent. I would say there was not much noise at all in the helmet, so that's a point for the Boxer, none for you. 110, you started hearing noise. The wind came on the side of the helmet. It was a little bit, I wouldn't say, I mean, and it was not a good experience. I mean, with the Bandit at 110 kilometers an hour, you hear the sound. You could hear it at 60, 80 and 100, it was all right. But this one, 60 not much, 80 not much, and 100 it started to get a lot of noise inside of the helmet, and it wasn't really pleasant at all. More pleasant, I mean, it was, you get used to it on the Boxer, on the Bandit, and you get a type of shock when you ride fast with the Boxer, because the noise comes when you ride about 90-100 kilometers an hour. So in overall we have 3 points here and we have 3 points here. So I mean, you have the weight, you lost the weight, 80 kilometers an hour, you got the point 2. There's 2 points. Well, actually you have 1 point extra for you. So the winner is the Boxer, and that's the one I will ride and take now to ride home and do a little bit of twisties. So let me know as well which one of the helmet you like most. As I said, I usually use the Bandit most of the time, and I ride with ear protection. I use Alpine ear protection, which I think it's for me it's the best. I tried many, and I'm not doing any advertisement. I'm not paid to do any advertisement at all, but I just want to say that the Alpine are really good ear protections. So, and as I say, try to, when you ride, use ear protections. It will save you hearing as well. So that's it. Thanks for the guy that asked me to do that test. It was quite interesting, and I think it was fun. So please don't forget to subscribe on the channel, comment, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.